Very good evening. So, welcome to day three, right? And today we are going to learn about the germ science. Very, very important. So, let's go ahead, my dear friends. I'm sharing my PPT. Okay. So, friends, let's understand this. As I say, if you can believe it, you can always achieve it. Very important. So, namaskar, namaste, welcome, so swagatam. So welcome to day three. Today we'll be learning germ theory. Germs are friends or enemies? What do you all say? Okay, fine. So germs, when I say, there is a very big thing coming in the market: antibiotics, antibiotics, antibiotics. It is a boon or a bane. We all have to take a decision. Let's understand about it. Nowadays, COVID is going on, and they are saying that antibiotic aa jayega. Maybe by trials are going on. This is going on. That is going on. I have due respect to the modern science. I'm not against it, and I have due respect it. And again, I tell you, you all should understand and take a decision. Right? It's a conscious decision, aware decision. Don't go by what I say. Don't go by what you say. Go by what nature says. Right? So your gut feeling, your understanding, and your belief system. So I'm just giving you one of the examples: ciprofloxacin. Whenever you have some eye infection or some other thing, Ciplox is a very famous. You all can Google it, right? You all can Google. I'm not saying only Ciplox. It can be go to the Google and just to find out ciprofloxacin. It's very famous antibiotic nowadays, used a lot. Okay, and I'm just writing here. One of that is Ciplox by the Cipla company, and the compound is ciprofloxacin. This is the compound. You all can go to the Google and you all can search it. And when the research was done, it is good or bad, and it is found that one ciprofloxacin dose renders the milk undrinkable for a week. For a week, one dose. Okay, one ciprofloxacin dose. So when you have the antibiotics in the body, they affect your body to a great extent. These animals which are fed on these antibiotics, that milk which we are consuming is not fit for us. Similarly, when we take the antibiotics, it has a lot of minus sides. You all can Google it, you all can search it, right? So germs are not man's enemies. We need to understand. It is always said that there has to be ecosystem. Ecosystem. Now, when people started killing snakes, when people started killing snakes, they found that the number of rats started increasing to a great extent, and the crops were damaged. So whatever is happening in the nature, that is a part of ecosystem. You need not interfere. I should not interfere. Let's say some baby's temperature is increasing. Now what is happening? What is happening? Body wants to say something. Okay, that is body's way of taking care of the body. It is its own system. So till it is 104, you should not worry a lot. 103, 103 that you should not worry much. 104, yes, put the putty and all that, and then just see. Okay, if the baby, let's take a simple case. If the baby is playing well, eating well, and temperature is high, you need not worry at all. Don't go by the temperature. Okay, check the body energy, check the flexibility of the body. Let the body handle it its own way. Maybe the stool movement, maybe anything. Don't interfere in the nature system as much as possible. Let the body heal by itself. Let the body learn and take care of it. What do we do? Moment it goes from 100, immediately we pop one pill, maybe crocin, maybe anything. We do not worry much. We have to give time to the body to heal its own way. Now I'm just sharing with you one example. My baby, she was having tonsil. Okay. And doctor said that it has become yellowish. We have to go for the operation. I said because I also had the tonsil when I was kid, and my tooth were decayed, and from the gums the pus used to come. I had to remove the teeth. So my childhood. So the moment doctor said that she has tonsil, the my past memory came to me immediately. My past memory reflected immediately. And then I started thinking, what would have happened if my parents would have allowed for the operation, right? So I immediately thought, no, no, no. I told doctor, doctor, I'll not go for the operation. Definitely, you can give the medication. He said, okay, we'll give the antibiotics. He started giving the antibiotics, and what happened? Slowly, slowly, my baby's infection rate started increasing. And one fine day, she was having fever, and black spots started coming on her body, and she has become so chichedy, frustrated, very okay. And my baby, she has not the habit of crying or doing creating nuisance. She's a very happy girl, right? And then I felt so sad, and I go into the doctor. Why? What this is? And he's telling that we are giving the highest amount of dose we can give, but she's not recovering. So I said, doctor, what to do? Then he said, okay, you have to admit her. And I have admitted to her in the hospital, and then they have put the saline. She was in hospital for 3 days. And after 3 days, I took a decision. Now onwards, because a small baby, just 4 years old, and putting all these injections, right? What is called as saline. Okay, putting here on her hand. I was crying literally. Matlab, you'll not believe. I don't know the words for it, right? And then I told her, okay, I promised myself today is the day when I am just putting her in the hospital. Today onwards, I will take care in such a way that she is healthy. She is able to increase her own immune system that in such a way that she don't have to worry a lot. Don't have to worry a lot. And then she got discharged, and all the stuff happened. And then I started working on her with the juices, with the fruits, more of. And I took her to the rain also. She was not going to the rain because my wife used to say that if she goes to rain, she will catch cold and she will have the problem. And I and she used to go to the rain. We used to this now 1 or 2 months back, and we used to enjoy like anything. We used to enjoy like anything. And today my baby, she's just 4.5 years, 4 years, 9 months. 31st December her birthday comes, and she's so happy. She's so happy. I can't tell you. No cold, no cough, nothing. Okay, she eats whatever she wants. She drinks whatever she wants, because we have helped her to raise the immune system. Okay, so cut story short, I want you all not to focus on the germs, focus on the immune system. Okay, so they are not our enemies, they are our friends. There are good germs, right? Bad germs, good germs will take care of the bad germs. You don't worry, I should not worry, because how much to worry on this? So many germs are there in the planet, right? So we do not worry much about the germs. Let the germs take care of the germs. We have a symbiotic relationship with any germ. Okay, so we say na marne wala hai to bachane wala bhi hai. So similar way we have to work on our immune system. So what happens when trying to kill the germs by using the antibiotics, right? So antibiotics are, as per the nature, as per the holistic approach is concerned, as per the holistic approach is concerned, antibiotics are anti-nature, which we get in the market. Okay, again I say, due respect to the pharma companies, due respect to the researchers, due respect to the everyone. So I'm just telling you, take your own aware, conscious decision. It is true in the nature, it is rule in the nature that anything that tries to destroy life makes the genes of organism to mutate to resist the poison. So what will happen when you give a dose? They will try to mutate, right? And as the time passes, they become more and more stronger. So what doctor will do? Doctor will give more and more high doses. And what will happen because of that? body will start suffering. Okay, so many deadly germs have now been mutated into deadlier versions to survive despite of antibiotics. Okay, so the time has come for us to understand the natural science, the science of healing the body, right? To depend more on our immune system rather than the antibiotic. Please mark it very, very important. Okay, I want you all to understand the deep science. It's very crucial. Okay, health benefits of exercise. So let suppose you are there is no age, right? At any age you can start light exercises. For babies, I suggest you all, like my baby, I have made the habit, I have given her the cycle, and morning time I tell her to go outside and do cycling, to play a lot. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, I ask her to play. So what happens when she play? Immune system becomes more and more stronger, the hunger is more, the appetite is more, the digestion is better, everything. So if your child is not playing, it is your responsibility to play with the child. Now what happens? Both get benefited. I always tell the people to make a habit of dancing 10 minutes, walking and playing. Pakda pakdi khelo na, what's the problem? I go with my daughter half an hour for go to down, and she runs and she catches me. Simple exercises. Don't want to do a lot of exercises. Okay, we do fighting. She goes to taekwondo, so we do fighting. So many exercises can be done, right? It's not only the exercise going to the gym and doing the exercise. No, it can be anything. Find out. Even fugdi, if you want, you can play with fugdi. If your daughter or son is in the age, you can play fugdi with them. So do anything, do cycling, anything you like, just do it. Okay, now again I am saying you have to go slowly. Heavy exercise or exertion might be harmful, right? And maybe a cardiac arrest or sudden death can be there. So exercise can be avoided after a heavy meal or whatever you have eaten, at least 2 hours, depending on the nature of the meal you have taken. Exercise, very, if you see the people, those who are sitting alone, they don't do the work, then just ask them to dance, do some exercises. That is very important, and it reduces the risk of depression. Diet chart for today. It's day 3. Only vegetables can be mixed with the others. Solo is the best. Each food has its own composition, so I suggest not to mix many things. So we want to make khichdi. How to make khichdi? Take bottle gourd, that is a vegetable. Take any one grain, whatever you want. If you like rajma, take rajma, right? If you want rice, take rice. Whatever you want, you take. Okay, Kabuli chana, take Kabuli chana. Whatever you want, you take. If you want urad ka rice, take urad ka dal. Whatever you want, take. I don't have any problem. And just cook it in a open container. Okay, now it is ready. Add some ginger if you want, whatever. Or ginger can be added in a chutney. Have it with the chutney. Okay, chutney of what? Chutney of coriander, pudina, pudina, soya, and little ginger if required. You can add coconut also if required. So totally up to you. And if you want, you can add a little of ghee also. A2 cow ghee. It looks very yummy, delicious. But the timing for this is khichdi between 12 to 3, when the sun is on your head. Best time to have grains is in the afternoon. Okay, good, thank you. So general, just I'm giving the guideline for day 3. Morning time, fruit or juice or vegetable, soaked nuts, anything one kind. Afternoon, khichdi with one grain, chutney, ghee if it is okay with you. Evening, raw vegetables, beetroot juice, whatever is okay with you, cucumber or steamed vegetable with a chutney or ghee, whatever you want, it's totally up to you. Fine. Next comes plan your diet and share with me my number, right? Question answers, you can message me, you can WhatsApp, you can email me. These are my details. This is my email ID, my mobile number for WhatsApp. Okay, and this is my the learning portal. So that's all for the day, my dear friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next session. Bye bye. Good day.